Hello friends, and this is video 5 of this Selenium tutorial series, and in this video I will talk about how to work with Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer in Selenium Webdriver. In my last tutorial we talked about how the first program in Selenium Webdriver where we launched uh, Google Chrome, right? So this is what we did, right? So in this tutorial what we do is we will we will talk about, let me create a class. We will talk about how to launch Firefox, Chrome and IE, right? So we will we will see how we can launch Mozilla Firefox or Chrome or Internet Explorer, right? So yeah, and I want a main method, so I'll just check it here and finish. Right, so I'll write my code in main method because we are not using any test engine, any framework as of now, so we will use a main method. Okay, fine. So this earlier video you can find it on my blog. Go to Selenium tutorial of this testautomated.in and go to Selenium Webdriver, and you can find where it is, yeah, first program in Selenium Webdriver. So this is the first program in Selenium Webdriver, right? So yeah, you can refer this site. So today we will talk about how to work on Mozilla Firefox, Chrome and Internet Explorer and Selenium Webdriver. So you can find it in on my I have written a detailed post over here, so I will just demonstrate this post to you today. Fine. So first thing we will talk about how to launch Mozilla Firefox, right? So in my last video we talked about this Firefox, that Mozilla Firefox is the default web browser in Selenium, right? So for launching Mozilla Firefox we do write a code like driver is equal to new Firefox driver, right? So this driver is something it will drives you through your full execution by using particular we can say it as a kind of session, right? So let me import this and let me import this. Now if you use this command driver is equal to new Firefox driver, then it will launch your Mozilla Firefox, right? So there is no system setting is required to launch Mozilla Firefox. Now we will talk about how to launch Chrome. So this web Firefox is a default browser, so for Firefox we need not to set any properties, but for Chrome we need to set a system property. So just type system dot set property, and we need to set a property of WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, right? So this is what you need to set. So you can just memorize this. We need to set a property WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and we need to download and give the path of Chrome driver. So how you can download a Chrome driver? Just go to Selenium HQ, go to downloads, or if you want, I have given the direct path to this Chrome driver. You can just click on this link and get the latest version of this Chrome driver. right? Or else what you can do is you can go here, and then yeah, you can find it over here. You can find it all drivers over here, your Gecko driver, Chrome, Opera, Ghost driver, HTML unit, Safari, Cell Android for Android. So you can download the driver from here, keep it in your folder somewhere. I kept it in my C drive, so it is here, Chrome driver. So I'll get the path of this sorry, Chrome driver, and I will add this path in my second argument here, right? So this is what we need to do a setup. Okay, make sure that we have a double slash. With single slash it will not work in Selenium. Alright, so for Chrome, what we did is we have downloaded Chrome driver from this Selenium HQ site. From here we stored it in my system, so I stored it in C drive, and this is the path. And for this path I have set the property webdriver.chrome.driver. Now this is what we need to set up. Now we are good to define our driver. So again, similar way, webdriver driver 1, I'll give it as a driver 1 because this driver I have already defined it for Firefox. Driver 1 is equal to new, and this time it should be Chrome driver, right? So just import, right? So this is how we can launch a Chrome browser. Now if you want to execute, you can execute like driver dot navigate dot to and your some URL, right? You can go to your URL like this. So this was about Google Chrome. Now let's talk about what is that Internet Explorer. Fine. Now in the similar way, as we define a property for this Chrome driver, define a property for Internet Explorer, but this time it should be for IE. So your first argument should be webdriver.ie.driver, right? And again, in the similar way, you need to download the driver for this Internet Explorer from here. You can download it and keep it. So I have it in my C drive again, so I'll just get a path of this and I'll paste it over here. Okay, so this is done. Now we are good to define our driver. Webdriver, I'll give this time driver 2 is equal to new, and define it as a Internet Explorer driver, right? Just import this, right? Now you can use this driver 2 for your execution, driver dot navigate dot to and your URL, right? Okay, so this is how we can launch a Mozilla Firefox. Or if you want to launch a Google Chrome, you should set a property like this. Or if you want Internet Explorer, again you should set a property this one, right? So yeah, so that's it I have for this tutorial, where we talked about how we can open Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome or Internet Explorer in Selenium Webdriver, right? For more video tutorials or uh, scripts on my blog, do visit testautomated.in or visit my YouTube channel. You can find my YouTube channel, go to YouTube, find my it with my name Prakash. It is Narkede, and here you can find it. Okay, so yeah, so here you can find Selenium tutorials. You can go also for Tosca tutorials. So I'll keep all videos over here, right? So you can keep watching my blog and do subscribe. Thanks.